Good evening, viewers. Welcome to Noble UK Academy. This evening, I want to show you how you can actually resolve or solve, systems of linear equations using Cramer's rule. Cramer's rule, it's another way to finding determinant of a linear system. Okay, now let's take for instance you have this kind of arrangement. Let's say 2x plus y, 3x plus 2y, and then 4x minus 2y. That is for this side, and here we have minus z here, we have plus 2z here, and then we have plus 3z, and this is giving us 1, this is giving us 13, this is giving us 9. So when you have this kind of arrangement, how do you solve this linear system, linear equation using Cramer's rule? Want to solve using Cramer's rule. Yeah. So of course, if you don't know how to solve this outrightly, you can cram it, memorize. Don't mind me. You don't need to memorize anything. You don't need to cram. You just have to understand what I'm gonna do here. So with that understanding, I believe at every point in time you should be able to deal with linear system. Okay, now let's go. Solution. The first thing you need to know about Cramer's rule is this: if we must look for our x is given, this is x is given as dx over d, meaning that for you to get this x, you must first and foremostly look for your determinant and your x, and then for you to get your y, this is y. For you to get your y is dy, okay, over d, and then finally your z is equals to dz over d. So the moment you're able to know this, I believe you are good to go. Very simple. Now let's go on to look for our d determinant. So the determinant of this arrangement, I'm gonna get the determinant. Determinant d is given as this. So I'm gonna transpose this into matrix by picking all the coefficients. The coefficient of x here is 2. This is 2. The coefficient of x here is 2. The coefficient of y here is 1. The coefficient of z here is minus 1. Okay. Now, the coefficient of x here is 3. The coefficient of y here is 2. The coefficient of z here is 2. The coefficient of x here is 4. The coefficient of y here is negative 2. The coefficient of z here is 3. Okay, so that is that. Now, for us to get our determinant is equal to, I'm gonna make do with my first rule. This is positive, negative, and then positive. Okay, this is my 2, which is positive. So I'll go this way, like this, so I'm left with this side. That's what it means. So this one becomes 2 into 2 of this matter. Let me use another marker. Yeah. 2 into 2, 2, negative 2, 3. Okay, that is that. Now coming to this, the one at the middle here is negative, so it becomes minus 1 into. Now look at this. I'm cancelling this, because I'm dealing with this one here. So it will go like this, like this. So I will now be left with 3, 2, 4, 3. 3, 2, 4, 3. Okay, that is that. Now coming to this last one, which is plus minus 1. That will give me minus 1 into. Watch, this goes off, so I'm left with 3, 2, 4, negative 2. 3, 2, 4, negative 2. That is just that. Now, getting our determinant, it is as good as saying 2 into bracket. See how it goes. We multiply like this and then like this. 3 times 2, 6. That result you get, you use it to minus it, you minus whatever you're gonna get from this side. So meaning that 2 times minus 2 will give me minus 4. So remove that minus 4 from 6. It becomes 6 minus 4. That's what it means. Okay, so I'm done with this. Coming here now, I have minus 1 into this times this gives me 9. This times this 8, that is 9 minus 8. Okay, I'm done with that. Coming here, I have minus 1 into this times this gives me negative 6. Negative 6 minus 4 times 2, that is 8. Okay, this is what I'm gonna have. So my determinant becomes 2 into this one gives me 6 minus times minus, that's plus 6 plus 4. Okay, minus 1 into 9 minus 8, that is 1. Then minus 1 into minus 6 minus 8, that is minus 14. That's what we're gonna have. So for this, my determinant becomes 6 plus 4, that is 10. 10 times this, 20. Okay, this times this, minus 1. This times this, plus 14. So at the end of the day, I'm gonna have plus 14. Plus 14. Okay, at the end of the day, I'm gonna have, this is 20 minus 1, that is 19. So 19 plus 14, 19 plus 14, I'm gonna have, this is 33. Okay, so that means that my determinant is equal to 33. That is that for the determinant. Okay, that is for the determinant. Now we've been able to get our D, which is the determinant. So we go on and on now to get the S, the Y, and finally the Z. Okay, now, okay, let me continue here. Still have space here. Recall that, okay, there's no point of recalling. Let's go on to look for the X. But the X is equal to the determinant of, now watch, anything that has to do with the X, we are making reference to X here. Okay, which means that all this X now, we don't need the coefficient of this X. We are substituting the coefficient for the constants we have here. Okay, so which means that I'm gonna use this constant to replace what I'm having here. That's what it means. So by virtue of that, I'm gonna have 139. Okay, once I'm done with that, so I'll start picking the next, which is 1, 2 minus 2. 1, 2 minus 2, and then finally minus 1, negative 1, 2, 3. Negative 1, 2, 3. Okay? Yeah. So for us to get our dx now, our dx becomes, we'll find the determinant of what we have here. So this is, I'm picking the first row. This is 1, becomes 1 into, I'm cancelling this, because I'm dealing with 1 here. This goes off, this goes off. So I'm left with 2, 2, negative 2, 3. 2, 2, negative 2, 3. Okay? That's coming here. This is minus 1. So I'm cancelling this, I'm cancelling this. So I'll be left with 13, 2, 9, 3. 13, 2, 9, 3. That's what I'll be having for this. Now coming down here, I'm gonna have minus 1 into, cancelling this, I'm cancelling this, so I'm left with 13 to 9 minus 2. 13 to 9 minus 2. That is what I'm gonna have for this. Okay, now my dx becomes, this is 1 into 2 times 3, that is 6. 6. Okay? Become 6 minus 2 times 2 will give me minus 4. So it becomes 6 minus 4. Okay? This is minus 4. Minus 4. So bracket it. Yeah. Thank you. Coming down here, I have minus 1 into, this is 13 times 3, which will give me 39. So it becomes 39 minus 9 times 2, that is 18. Okay. Coming down here, I have minus 1 into, this times this, that is minus 26, negative 26 minus 9 times this, that is 18 minus 18. Okay. Now, our dx further becomes 1 into, this time becomes 6 plus 4. Okay. Minus 1 into, this minus this, it gave me 21. Okay, yeah, 21, then minus 1 into this, minus 26, minus 18, this one gives me, this is 14, carry 1, 4, that is minus 44, minus 4. Okay, yeah, that's for this. So coming down here, I have dx is equals to 6 plus 4, 10. 10 times 1 is 10, okay? Minus 21. Okay, this is minus 1 times minus 44, becomes plus 44. Alright, so we have the x gives us, look at this. 10 minus 21 give us minus 11. Minus 11 plus 44 gives plus 33. That's 44 minus 11. You have 3. Okay, that is 33. So this is 33. That is for the x. So we go on to get our dy. Now, coming to the y becomes just like I did. I substituted the coefficient of x for the constant here. That is when looking for the x. So now when looking for the y, we're going to substitute the coefficient of y for the constant here. That is what that means. So I'm going to have 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Then this is y, so I'm going to substitute the coefficient of y for this constant. That will be 139. Okay, and finally minus 1, 2, 3. negative 1 to that is what we're gonna have for the y. So we'll look out for the determinants. Okay, the y becomes further 2 into this goes up, so I'm left with 13 to 9 3. 13 to 9 3. Okay, coming here, negative 1, this goes up, so I'm left with 3 to 4 3. 3 to 4 3. Okay, then coming down there, I have negative 1 into this goes up, I have 3 13, 3 13 4 9. Okay, that is what I'm gonna have for this. So breaking that down, breaking it further, I have the y is equal to 2 into this time this, that is 39 minus 18. Okay, that is 9 times 2 18 minus 1 into this time this 9 minus 8. Okay, coming down the minus 1 into this time this 27 minus this time this 4 times 3 12. I mean that 1, 4 times this 4 plus that 1 5. Okay, now this is what we're gonna have for this. So the y further becomes 2 into this minus this 1, this minus 21. Okay, now minus 1 into 1, then minus 1 into 52 minus 27 will give us what? This is 12. You have 5. Okay, make that 4 here, 4 here, 2. Okay, that is minus 25. Well, minus 25. Okay, that is that. Minus 25. So the y further becomes 42. That's 2 times 21 gives me 42. Okay, this time this minus 1, then this time this plus 25. So what that means is this: 25 minus 1 gives me 24. 24 plus 42. 24 plus 42, that is 66. Okay, so the y further becomes 66. That's what that means. Now we now look out for the last one, which is the z. The z becomes determinant of. So anywhere I see my z, I'm gonna substitute the coefficient of z from this constant here. So I will be having 2 1 1 2. Let me bring it down. 2 1 1 2 1 1. Okay, 2 1 1 2. Sorry, 2 1 1. Yeah, because we are dealing with z now. I don't need this. So it is 2 1 1 2 1 1. So coming here, I have 3 2 13 3 2 13. Okay, 3 2 13, and then finally 4 minus 2 9. 4 minus 2 9. This is what you're gonna have for the z. Okay, that is for the z. Now I'm gonna rub off this to create space for further solution. Okay, let me clean up this also. Alright, now our disease further becomes 2 into, this is what we're looking at, 2. So this side goes up, this side goes up. So I'm left with 213 minus 29. 213 minus 29. That is what I'm going to have. Minus 29. Then minus 1 into, this goes up, this goes up. So I'm left with 313, 4, 9. 313, 4, 9. Yeah. And finally, now plus 1 into, this is 1, this goes up, this goes up. So I'm left with 3 to 4 minus 2. 3 to 4 minus 2. This is 3. 3 to 4 minus 2. So we see further becomes 2 into, this time is 18. 18 minus 26. Okay, let me just make it plus already. Minus will give you plus, so that's plus 26. Okay, coming here, minus 1 into, this is 27 minus 52. Okay, this time this 27, this time this 52 minus, okay, plus 1 into minus 6 minus 8, like minus 2 times 3 minus 6, then minus 4 times 2, which is minus 8. Alright, the z further becomes 2 into this plus this is 8 plus 4, that is 40, right, for carry 1, this is 44, okay, then minus 1 into, this will further give us 12 minus this, that is 5, that is a minus 25, okay, then plus 1 into, this will be minus 14, alright, so the z further becomes, this times this is 88, okay, plus 25, that is minus 1 times this plus 25, then 1 times minus 14 gives minus 14, so the z further becomes 25 minus this will give us 11. 11 plus this is 99, meaning that the z is 99. Now that we've been able to find our the z, the y, and the z, the x, we've been able to find our the x, the y, and the z. Okay, so now let's now find the values of y, x, y, z. Recall that x is equal to dx over d, and then y is equal to dy over d, and finally z is equal to dz over d. So which means for us to get our answers, our dz, sorry, the x from the what we saw is actually 33. So this further becomes 33 over d. Our d from what we saw, was 33. Okay, our d was 33. So I've cleaned it off already. So our d was 33. That means 33 divided by 33, giving us 1. That means that the value of s is 1. So coming down here, our dy, I think 66 was what we got. Yeah, dy is equal to 66 over d, which is 33. So this one will be 2. So meaning that the value of our y is 2. Okay, coming to z, our dz, we got our dz to be 99, meaning that this is equal to 99 over 33. That will give us 3. So I want to believe that this is explanatory enough. This is how we resolve linear system of simultaneous equation using Cramer's principle. So each time you apply this method, you will always fall back at the right answer. So please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you are sharing the link of my channel with other students across the globe so that it can be helpful or a source of help to many of them in their academic endeavors. Thank you till we meet again. I remain my humble self, Ken Nnaji. Thank you.